top dash vents. I just used a little knife or a little screwdriver long. Inserted it into the black ones and just twisted it. Popped right out. These you don't even, you just need to take them, put them in a hole, kind of decide how you want them to look. Pop them right down. If you need things to move, that's all I did. Pop it right back out. Now I would like to use something that's not metal. I'm going to just shine it up a little bit. This is pretty much machine finish here. There. Of course, there's one on the other side, which I hope you see. And then we did the middle vents. But anyhow, that's pretty much it here. And a little more light. I've got a lot of specials going on right now at WhanAB.com, WhanAB.com. Please go to the left side for pages. And if you don't see it pages right there, please just go to like a bunch of lines in the top left corner, like a page with lines, and click on that, and it should down on the left side be a list of the pages as well, in case it's not all right there where you need. Anyhow, look for a lot of great specials in there. Thanks for watching.